I'm going to be unboxing a limited edition beauty box from beautybay. It's been out a while and it's currently now only £25. Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I saw this beauty box on beautybay a couple of weeks ago and I'm umming whether I should get it or not. I try and dip in to get different websites beauty boxes so that I can show you a broad spectrum of different boxes, and I just thought, oh, I'll leave it this time. And the contents, although are good, I was thinking, doesn't quite excite me. beautybay do amazing beauty boxes. The majority of their beauty boxes are jam-packed full of beauty products and really great value. This one, it just didn't appeal to me that much, so I thought, you know what, I'll leave it this time. But it was selling for £35, it has a value of £131, and it contains 13 travel-related beauty products, and it's now on sale for £25. About a week or two ago, beautybay released two new beauty boxes. One was a Get Ready With Me summer box, and the other one was Iconic Summer. They retail for £25 and £30. I had a look at them, weren't that excited compared to what beautybay have done in the past and recent past. I just thought, no, I'll leave it this time. But then I noticed that this one was on sale for £25, and I thought, oh, do you know what, it is a good deal, so I went for it, and I'm glad I did. So if you're interested in getting it for yourself, as always, you'll find a link to it down below in my description, and then down there you see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites and any giveaways I've got currently running, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So it's called the Jet Set Essentials box. So it comes like that, or loose in the box, and then we've got a travel bag in here, which I'll open first. So they're all the same colour. Everyone will receive a black one. It's square, and hopefully you'll be able to see that it's mesh, so you can sort of see through. Not clearly, but yeah, you can sort of see inside. So a nice, decent sized travel bag there. Oh, I do like these. These are Brushworks Skinny Satin Scrunchies. I love the colours as well. So there's a 6, yeah. 1, 2, yeah, there's 6. I like these little ties because they're satin, they protect the hair, they're just better for your hair and minimise any damage. And then we got Mario Badescu. This is a facial spray with aloe, cucumber and green tea. There's 59 mils here. It's just nice and refreshing. There are other facial sprays that I do prefer, but this one I've had on and off in different beauty boxes over the last couple of years. It's just a nice refresher one. Obviously it's got cucumber in it. I love anything with cucumber in it. I tend to use facial sprays as soon as I come out the shower. Before I do any of my skincare, I put a facial spray on and then I wait a little while and then I do my skincare, and then I'll top up using different facial sprays. Still depends, I've got loads of them. Top up then throughout the day, and then I've got some with SPF in them as well. So yeah, I am a little bit obsessed with facial sprays, and I do go through them quite a bit. We've got here Be by beautybay, beautybay's own brand, and this is SPF 50 high protection. It works to protect, smooth and moisturise skin, and there's 50 mils there with both UVA and UVB, which is always good. Suitable for all skin types. Then we've got Beekman 1802. This is a bloom cream, goat milk and niacinamide daily moisturiser, a multitasking cream that is clinically tested to soften, smooth and moisturise with goat milk and milk postbiotic, and there's 15 mils there. I don't think I've ever tried it, or not tried, heard of it, I mean. Help your skin bloom and watch it come back to glorious, glowing life. Bloom cream is powered by nutrient-rich goat milk, niacinamide and PHAs. Try a little bit there. Feels so nice. Yeah, does it smell? No, thankfully it doesn't smell of goat milk. I don't like that. It just feels so silky. Oh, that is lovely. Yeah, what's it called? What is it again? Beekman 1802. Yeah, so we got a moisturiser. Next, we have got a scalp serum. This is by HAIRtamin. I hope I'm saying that right. For thicker, stronger, healthier looking hair. There's 15 mils there. What exactly are you? Say hello to the next generation of hair and scalp health. A targeted, everyday formula with a patented growth complex that helps visibly increase hair thickness by 121%. Oh my gosh. And reduce hair fall by up to 58%. What the heck are the ingredients? This lightweight, quick-dry and non-toxic formula is enriched with potent plant nutrients to help soothe dry, itchy scalp, reduce dandruff and build-up for healthier looking, more beautiful hair. Use twice a day, apply 2 to 3 drops to the affected scalp area and just style as normal. I'm interested to learn a little bit more about this, but if you've tried it, it's called HAIRtamin, hair and then TAMIN. Then yeah, let me know what you think. Then we've got something gorgeous. This is a Korean beauty band. This is by Holika. Aloe 92% clean water formula. It's a shower gel. I've never tried this. We have seen the lotion in beauty boxes for the last couple of years. Exactly like this, like a gorgeous aloe leaf. Mild shower gel infused with 92% aloe vera leaf juice. That's the smell. I know the lotion's gorgeous. Oh, it's so nice. It's so fresh. Next, I've got something for my hair. This is Kingsley Styling. It's a Frizz fighting gloss. So it's a smoothing serum. And there's 20 mils there. I'm currently still loving from Look Fantastic, the Tigi Bedhead. See, I can't remember what it's called. I should know these things. Why on earth can't my brain retain information? I know what it looks like because I use it every day. It's just like a big pink lollipop. If you got a Look Fantastic beauty box, I think it was in April's box, then yeah, you'll know what I mean. I love that. It's a cream. It's a styling cream, and I just pull a little bit through my hair afterwards, after I've dried it. It's a smoothing serum there. Then we've got the Nuco, and this is a barrier culture cleanser, and there's 15 mils there. Apply to damp skin and massage. Why am I telling you how to clean your face? Yeah, you know what to do. Oh, it's sealed there. Barrier Culture Cleanser. I don't know anything else because it's a sample. They don't always tell you information on the back there. Then I got something else for your hair. This is a Fable & Mane Saha Scalp Amla Soothing Serum. 14.4 mils. Beautiful bottle. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous purple colour. Massage one full dropper into the scalp. Leave on for at least 5 minutes or overnight for best results. Next we got Sol de Janeiro. This is Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, Charosa 62 fragrance, caffeine-rich guarana extract. Gorgeous little cream. Just a little small pot there. What is it? Yeah, 25 mil. I've pulled it off too fast and it's just gone everywhere. Oh no. It's a really nice body cream. And it's got tightening effects as well, although in all honesty, I have never noticed my skin looking firmer. But it's supposed to help, but I just think my skin is just beyond stretched and there's no way I could get the firmness back. But I can make it look better with creams, which is why I love applying creams, mainly at night before I go to bed. We've got 2 items left. Peter Thomas Roth, and this is Instant Firm Glow Filter Priming Serum, and there's 5 mils. Use serum alone or as a primer for an instant glow and long-lasting sculpting benefits. Now the Instant Firm sounds really good. So it can give me a gorgeous glow and then firm up my skin temporarily. Let's try a little bit on my hand here. There. Wow, okay. I do like that. Yeah, so you can see the difference. Just gives a very subtle glow. But yeah, but it has all the skincare benefits to like... Again, it's another product I'm going to have to look into. But no, I love the sound of that. And it looks nice on my skin. It feels nice. Yeah, I wonder how much it costs because this brand is quite pricey. But no, happy with that. And then lastly, we have got here Nudestix. This is Magnetic Matte Eye Colour in shade Fig. Right, my hands are full of creams at the minute. I can't open it. Oh, I do like this colour. I haven't got this colour. I am a little bit obsessed as well with eyeshadow sticks. They're just so easy for a really quick eye look. I just tend to put it all underneath my eyes and a little bit on the top. And then I just, with a brush, I just buff it out and then just carry on intensifying then and just making the outer corners a little bit darker. And yeah, I love that one. I love the colour. I have got quite a few nude sticks, but I know I haven't got this one. Oh, this is like a proper chocolatey brown. Look. Yeah, I like that. Really, really nice. See how it blends a little bit. Ooh, it's almost like a coppery colour. Yeah, I really, really like that. So I've got nude sticks, matte eyeshadow stick there. And there you go, those are all the products in the Beauty Bay, the Jet Set Essentials kit. It contains 13 products, and I do think they fit really well with the Jet Set theme, you know, going off on holidays, a weekend away, etc. But we've got 2 Scalp serums, which I wouldn't necessarily take on holiday or take with me on a weekend away. It just doesn't fit with the theme. Not really, but all the others do fit with the theme, and I do think it's good value for money, but it's only good value for money if there's products in there that you really, really like. So I want to know what you think. Did you buy it for yourself, or are you watching this thinking, oh yeah, I'm gonna get it now, or are you thinking, nah, not for me this time? I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.